first look at this.
So open it like that, which we did. Alright. And we'll put it inside the microwave like this. Like this.
Yeah.
See? Then it should be ready. So cooking time may need to be adjusted. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, this may take more or less than 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So microwave. So this is 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Okay. 2 minutes, 30 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Okay, start. Press it, start it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah? let's wait and see.
Here we go.
It's popping. You hear it? Pop, 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 pop. It's popping. Yeah. It's popping.
I think that's
No.
enough.
Look at the time.
Okay.
All of them has to pop.
If we get to 0.
20 more seconds. 19, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off! So let's see. Wait.
The popcorn is big.
Alright, you can pass it. Let's wait, okay?
Wow.
Where's the plate? It's hot, so let's just put it in the plate. Okay. Alright, let's open it. Check it out.
Popcorn. It's yellow.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Let's taste it. Everybody, you don't want? You want to taste it? Okay.